Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Binance. While a direct connection isn't available, the most effective method involves using Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform. This allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users, facilitating transactions using various payment methods, including PayPal. It's a secure and widely used feature within the Binance ecosystem, offering flexibility for your crypto needs. To begin, navigate to the P2P trading section within your Binance account. You'll find options to either buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade, and then, crucially, filter the payment methods to display only PayPal. This will show you a list of other Binance users who are willing to transact using PayPal, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've found a suitable trader, carefully review their profile, checking their completion rate and the number of trades they've successfully executed. Initiate the trade, making sure to read their specific terms. You will then send the agreed-upon amount via PayPal. It is absolutely vital to confirm receipt of funds in your PayPal account before releasing any cryptocurrency on Binance, protecting your assets throughout the entire process. When engaging in P2P trades, always be aware of potential fees and the exchange rates offered by different users. These can vary significantly, so comparing several offers is wise. Most importantly, never release your cryptocurrency until you have 100% confirmed that the payment has arrived in your PayPal account. Should any issues or disputes arise, Binance provides a dedicated support system to help resolve them efficiently, ensuring a fair trading environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.